guys, welcome back to the Allen family. It's your girl Maria, and as you can see I'm being super quiet this morning. It's Father's Day, so babe's already awake. He got me to it. He always beats me to it, and the lightning's pretty bad, and so he beat me to it. And this morning he's already awake, so I said to him, you can't do anything, you have to stay in bed, but let's all go say happy Father's Day to him. And hopefully when he walks out, he'll see his gifts here on the table. But anyway, hang on. Oh, been a morning. So guys, he is the man of the hour. Happy Father's Day. Just get a bit of light coming in here for a bit. Open the blinds. Good morning, everybody. Happy Father's Day.
Thank you, baby.
So you're not allowed to get out of bed, even though you've been awake a long time before me.
It's not that of a big of a deal.
It is a big deal, isn't it, guys? He's got to stay in bed because it's breakfast in bed today. He beat me to it. He always does. He always wakes up super early. Earlier than me. Excuse me. And I'm still trying to clear the airways this morning. Harlan has had a really rough weekend. He's been sick. And Mr. Hubby here, he was unwell last night too, so I wasn't sure how this was going to go today.
Feeling a bit better today, so that's good.
That's a good thing. Well, there you go. Happy third Father's Day. All right.
General.
Yeah. Here he is. He's feeling a lot better too today. All right, guys. So stay tuned. Oh, that's a nasty cough. Did you say Happy Father's Day to Dad?
Yes.
What? No, you didn't. You said good morning, Dad. I heard that. What about Happy Father's Day, Daddy?
Happy Father's Day, Daddy.
So, basically. Yeah, so stay tuned, guys. We're going to have make some breakfast and then see how the day goes, because it doesn't look like the sun's out. It doesn't look like the sun's out today. So, Dad, sorry, you're going to have to stay in bed.
Oh, my God.
You have to stay in bed for us, okay?
Alrighty.
Let's go, guys. Breakfast for Papa. guys, that's my Father's Day breakfast for hubby. He likes his Milo and all of that, so yeah. Let's serve it up, shall we? Let's take it in. Let's go now.
Oh my God.
Careful your juice. Careful now.
Yeah. You gonna come eat with me?
No, that's plenty for you. Hang on, careful you don't go.
Thank you, baby.
That's alright.
I love you, Mom. Happy birthday, Mom.
Happy Father's Day, Dad.
No money Father's
you,
Day.
Okay, I just put your juice here
Yeah.
on the table. Hang on, I'll move this closer.
Dad,
Breakfast in bed is enough for me. What do you want to do today?
Just chill.
Just chill? No fishing? Picnic?
picnic.
Mm,
I love you, Mom. This is my birthday, Mom. This is my birthday.
yeah. Where you left your donut on the bed on the bench. No?
Are you serious?
Oh crap! I didn't get your initial reaction because the camera's low.
Oh, nice fishing rod. What's this? Tackle kit. Oh, sure, that's wicked.
And added extras in there.
And this is. Oh, you like to put the rods in?
Yes.
That's smart. Oh, fishing set.
Yeah.
That's wicked. Thank you, baby.
That's alright.
Appreciate it. Love it, girl.
Love you too, darling. Yeah. And the reason why I got you the fishing rod rack, because I'm sick of you having them laying around. They're like, he's always having, he washes them and forgets to hang them up. So now he's got a rod rack so he can hang his rods.
So now I look professional with this tool kit. What you call it? Yeah, tackle kit.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's wicked.
So, yeah.
So it has stuff in there already?
You can open and have a look.
Alright. Just like compartments.
What do you reckon, ladies and gents?
Like fully sealed.
It's a clip. No.
Ah, that way. Oh wow. It comes with lots of stuff. Floaties and symbols, hooks. Oh, all heap of stuff. Hooks, more hooks.
Yeah, they're added extras I put in there.
Comes with it.
No, I put them in there.
Oh, you put them in there.
Yeah, I bought a few more extra stuff in there.
Oh, so is this another?
And that's like another compartment down here
Oh, wicked.
where you can put all your lines.
Oh, so it's like a drawer.
Yeah.
Oh, sick. That's mad. What? That is wicked. I love it. It's like, oh, that's it.
Yeah.
Nice. Love it, baby.
You love it?
I love it very much. Thank you. Appreciate it.
It took a lot of thought in this because I didn't know exactly, and I looked at the kayaks and I'm like, well, the kayaks are a little bit expensive at this moment. And I can't really afford it, as you know.
Yeah.
So we've got other plans we have to kind of take control of. But that fishing rod
Nice.
is a Shimano. It's a something top spinner or something. So it's a pretty good fishing rod.
Yeah.
It actually can catch up to, I think, 7 kilo.
Okay.
A 7 kilo fish,
Yeah.
basically.
Nice.
Yeah. So
Nice.
yeah,
It's Rasta. I love it.
Shimano is a pretty good brand.
Yeah.
I was actually trying to look for what do you call it, like YBS merch.
Oh.
Because Babe has been watching YBS for a very long time.
Youngbloods. He's
Yeah.
like the biggest in Australia that does fishing.
But I couldn't find anything from YBS Youngblood, so I was like, well, I'm just gonna make something in my mind, things that he might definitely need.
Yeah.
And his rods are getting a little bit old now, the ones he has. He probably needs new reels. But when I looked at the reels, as you could see in my previous vlog on my channel, if you haven't seen my channel, guys, go and subscribe to Latina Chills.
Yeah.
You'll see the pre-shopping Father's Day gifts, and the reels there were, you know, they range from about, you know, 200 to 800, 1,000. So anyway, so I thought, well, why not get him a new fishing rod?
Yeah.
And it's a good quality one, so
Yeah, it's decent. I
it's
love it.
decent one. So
Love
yeah, and then a rod holder
Yeah.
for his rods, which opens up. I think he said, the guy said to me when I bought it, it's a 16, up to 16 rods,
Oh wow.
so you can spread them out.
Oh, a lot of rods.
Yeah, so yeah, and then the tackle box, I thought, well, Babe at the moment is using a real starter one, so I thought he needs a little bit more of an advanced
Yeah.
tackle, you know, box and things that he can just put inside there
Yeah.
and whatever. So he'll organise all of that later and
Yeah.
probably show you guys how he's organised it in his drawers.
Yeah,
I don't know. So yeah, it took a lot of thought into it, and I'm just, I'm happy you love them, babe.
Yeah,
I'm
love
so
it.
happy.
Love it.
I love you.
Love you.
You're a good dad. That's the main
Thank
thing.
you.
He's a good dada. He's a good dada, isn't he? Where you been screaming there?
Mommy,
Come.
Mom,
Yeah.
my book. Mom,
Mm.
help me.
You see Daddy's gifts we got him the other day?
What?
You missed out on that.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
You're gonna catch fish.
Mm. So maybe today was an incentive to go fishing because the weather looks good. Maybe just by the river there with a new rod. You never know. You never know.
I mean, summer is coming around again. How long is spring last?
December. Oh, well, December starts summer.
Oh yeah, true.
So end of November.
Somehow I want to fish the rivers to see what I can catch.
Catch, yeah. All right. Very good, guys. Yeah.
Mommy,
Love it.
Very good. Happy days.
I'm a download to Mom.
Hey. If you don't know something about Babe, guys, Babe's a very simple guy.
Yeah.
And I tell you, if I buy him gold or jewelry, or look, he's already nodding, going, no.
That's what I always tell you. Like,
yeah.
that's something I don't want.
So if you haven't learned something about hubby today, guys, you know that he's a very simple guy. He loves the simple things in life. He's not a materialistic person.
Yeah.
He's not about that hyping, you know, stuff.
I love
But
you, Mom.
I always said I still want to get him a pair of Clarks. So I will get him a pair of Clarks because you know how the thing go. Gaza for life. Nah,
Vendetta, I think there.
yeah, exactly. I know. I'm only just giving him, you know, a bit of stripe there. But you know, guys, yeah, I still want to get you a nice pair of them. But you know, as a thing, you know, it's always online shopping that takes forever as well. So but yeah, behold, guys, that kayak might still be coming. Yeah, probably for a look. Let's just say me and Babe, we've been looking at
Even boats.
we've been looking at boats, guys.
Yeah.
We've been looking at boats. Oh, it's a bit blurry, sorry. We're looking at boats, and so yeah, we're looking at maybe just buying a boat because the kayak is good and everything, but he can only go on that. I can't go on it, but you know, like maybe for now it could be for him for solo fishing for himself. Yeah.
True. I think the boat will be better because all of us can go in, whether it be the river or the ocean.
Yeah.
And when I say the ocean, if we're gonna buy a boat for going like out in the ocean, then we need a bigger boat. But if we just getting a boat for going to the harbour, it doesn't need to be a big boat, you know what I mean? Because the harbour is always pretty much calm. If we go to Ballina, in the harbour it's calm.
Yep.
You know, but yeah.
So we're just looking at, you know, a decent boat.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, maybe next time you see us, we will have a boat.
Yeah, so we're still looking into it.
Still looking, still shopping around.
Yeah.
So yeah, anyways, I'm going to attend to Ireland now, guys, because he's, you know, still sick and is, you know, still trying to get better.
Yeah.
And what is it? So guys, yeah, stay tuned. We got more.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ah, look at that. That's generation right there.
Thank you.
Generations
Thank you.
right there. There you go.
Yeah, see.
Lovely.
Okay. And talk with the hands. Neo. I'm Sonic.
No, you Knuckles.
Ah, I'm Knuckles. And you?
I tips.
Eh?
I tips.
I cute.
Yes.
Really? Okay. Well, what we going to acting? We going somewhere?
Tips, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, we'll go something. It's a go.
Really?
Here we go.
Oh my goodness. What we gonna do?
Go Sonic.
We go to Sonic. We're gonna beat them.
Yeah, meet them.
Yes. And we're gonna fight with them.
Yes.
Good.
You're going to fight with Sonic?
Yes.
Yes, we're gonna beat Sonic.
Yes.
Yes, because I'm not.
But I thought you said you're Sonic.
I tips.
No,
You're
it's
Tails.
Tails, yes.
Tails. And Nono? Who is he?
No have Knuckles.
Knuckles. Oh, okay.
Yeah, we have
Oh.
number one for the.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This and
Yes,
this
and here, and here, here,
and this.
here, and the here, and the head,
This and this.
and the here, and made the knuckles, and this. Knuckle.
Yeah, Knuckles, Knuckles.
Nee, knuckle.
Yeah, Knuckles.
Eh?
Punch, punch,
Yes.
Emmy.
Yes.
Right.
Good, yeah. Good. We will take a picture of the camera. Look at the camera there. Look, somebody.
You're going to get some fruits? Okay. One. Do you want one? Grab one? Hopefully they're good. Jeez, we could be rich. Selling a coconut.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Sounds good.
Let me my tummy. Let me my tummy.
Go, Dad.
We didn't bring any bags, eh?
Oh no, we'll just put everything in there. Yeah.
It's balloon.
Yeah.
It's balloon.
Oh wow, you want one?
Yes.
Okay, we'll ask them if you can have one.
I'll just have to grab those ones. I don't have them on screen, sorry. Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh okay, that's cool.
There you go. Look, Dad got you it. Aren't you lucky? No, you're not allowed up there. Get out.
People are interested in what you're buying and stuff.
Well, with the same name.
Oh yeah.
Like,
As what, sorry?
ASMR. I know, it sounds weird, but people
Oh hey, whatever. Hey, big gift, my cleaning.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, so I've set it up. Oh, what do you call it?
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, very good.
Probably the other stuff's 45 and then the golden.
And I know it's Father's Day, but I can't do everything on my own. I still need hubby bubby to get everything
Yeah,
sorted too.
yeah, prepare, you know?
Yeah. It's looking great. Can't wait to eat. If you're here now with us and you've reached this far in the vlog, just wanted to say thank you. Oh my gosh, my hair looks so messy. Thank you for joining us today. It was just a really nice, quiet, simple day for Father's Day. So happy Father's Day once again, my love.
Thank you, baby.
I hope you know you had a good lunch, a good dinner. I don't know, good lunch, a good dinner.
I enjoyed everything.
Yeah, and your presents and everything. So thanks so much, guys. If you're new to our channel, thank you for subscribing.
Yeah, man.
And thank you to everybody that has been supporting us for the last 3 years.
Give thanks.
Because we created this family channel 3 years ago.
Yeah. It's been
True?
True.
So what else are you gonna say, babes?
Yeah, it's just been a lovely day, you know?
And now what are we doing?
Just chilling, relaxing, you know?
Yeah.
Watching some YouTube and things like that. I feel tired right now.
Yeah, because
Belly
he's belly full. And later on he's got some dessert there, which is white chocolate cheesecake or something.
Yeah.
I've got to go to work, unfortunately, but I'll be back later. So peace out, everybody.
Yeah, man.
Thanks for tuning in.
Blessings.
Bye. We're on a roll now. Let's go, let's go now. Yeah. Island.
What?
Bye.
Bye.